Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to format data as a percentage in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is open up Power BI desktop and create a new blank report. Then from there, we need to go ahead and add some sample data. So I've got some sample data here. So I'm going to click onto home, going to click on enter data. Now I'm just going to go ahead and choose that. Going to paste it in here like so, and then click on to load. Now that's going to load that sample data into this report. Now if I go ahead and select these, we can see the sample data is now loaded. But before we get too far into this video, we need to go ahead and format this. You can see we've got column 1, 2, etc. We don't want that. We actually want month sales target percentage. So if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to quickly show you. So come back to the top here, transform data. Once we're here, we want to go and select row 1. Now we want row 1 as the header. So select use first row as headers, select that. You can see it's going to be changed like so. Then from here, simply click out of it and click save. Now there's probably going to be an error message here on this report. That's okay. Might choose fix this. And then I'm going to choose month percent sales target. Now from here, we want to go ahead and come back and have a look at the table view. So we got month sales target percentage. Now come over to the percent and then just change it where it says format from general. We want to change this to a percentage. Now that's going to be changed to a percentage. Now I'm going to come back to report view. Then from here, we need to click onto new measure, and then we want to go ahead and put this bit of code in. So it is sales achievement. And then yeah, just go ahead and copy and paste this, select commit. And now it's going to say it's already in use because I've already got that here to the right here. So now I just want to go ahead and select this. So you can see here sum of percentage, but I'm going to go ahead and put a month here too. Now you can go ahead and change the visual here by changing it from all these different visuals. I kind of like cluster bar charts for this type of stuff, but yeah, it is a matter of opinion. So yeah, that's how to format data as a percentage in Power BI.